हेलो एवरीवन, नमस्ते। सो अभी कुछ दिनों तक मैं ब्रेक पे थी, एज इन आई वाज नॉट गिविंग वॉइस ओवर्स, नॉट बिकॉज आई वाज अनवेल बट आई वाज absorbing थिंग्स around me around me as in I am looking towards things with different lenses. Obviously different lenses, but मैं अपने perspectives move कर रही हूँ because throughout my life I have been focusing on different things. My goals were different, and now because there has been a major drift and change in my goal, so मेरा जो देखने का नज़रिया है वो भी बदल रहा है. And because if you know me, I have been a person who just takes up the positive things out of the situations that have been built around me. So I am actually, learning new skill sets. I mean, I knew the basic things that we need to do, but practicing it on a daily basis, अपने life core में is something very new to me. So while I'm cooking food, it has to be, full of good positive energy. The course I'm doing, it should be, well done. मतलब जो काम मैं नहीं करती थी बेसिकली, वही मैं अब बहुत अच्छे से करने की सोचती हूँ. Like example, I recently prepared something. I mean, yeah, something. As in, I never saw my mother doing it. I never saw my dadi doing it. But then one day I thought and I prepared badi. I mean, I hope you know what badi is, right? So मैंने मूंग दाल की बड़ी बनाई यूएसए में. I mean, that is something no one who would know me would say. I mean, basically, if someone who knows me would say Aditi can do it because I love picking up new tasks for my own self, which would lead to my growth. And if it is this kind of growth, then why not? Growth is growth.